Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I am going to work on another hexagon tile which is 8-inch diameter, and the base is going to be black. Today I am trying to find a happy medium between the bright flowers that I get from my white base pours, and also I'm keeping in mind that I can keep my brightness of the flowers when that piece dries. So to make sure, I am adding a little bit of white, golden titanium white with each of the bright colors. I know that that kills the brightness of the paint, but at the same time I can assure that the colors can be vibrant even when the piece dries. So let's see how it goes. For now I'm going to stop talking and you watch the process. Towards the end I'll come around and I'll explain what I did and how it went. As I look at the composition, I don't like the black leaves of the red flower. So I am moving the center of my tile towards the flower. So when I spin on my spinner, hopefully a lot of the paint from that side will spill out. At least that's the idea in my mind. So we'll see how it goes. As you can see that it worked, but at the same time I'm losing some of my red leaves. So I'm going to stop here, and this is going to be my composition. I like the composition, but I'm not happy about the colors. I still have to play with colors to bring the bright flowers back again. So I'm going to try a couple more of these patterns, and we'll see where we end up. I want to hear from you. What do you think? So leave some comment in the comment section, and I'll see you soon.